Day number 9, 10, 9, right? I don't know. Okay, we are here. We are pushing through this challenge. You are almost done. You have learned a bunch of songs already, so let's continue learning. Today's is easy. Throughout the song, I'll be doing an island strum. If you feel comfortable with it, do a chuck. To do a chuck, all I'm doing is I'm rotating the hand really fast and then muting with this part of my hand. So it's just a rotate, mute, rotate, mute. And it's just really fast. So it's rotate, mute. And I'm just speeding that up till it sounds like. That's all a chuck is. Easy peasy. No, just kidding. It takes more practice. You can pause here to practice. But if you do at the chuck, it's down, chuck, up, chuck, up. Down, chuck, up, chuck, up. And not every chuck is perfect, by the way. Some of mine don't sound like a chuck, but I keep going. So it gives the listener the idea that all the chucks sound good. Let's practice the toughest part from the beginning, and that way we can just do a playthrough. So the toughest part is where Santa's talking to Rudolph, telling him, "Won't you guide my sleigh tonight?" I kid you not, that's the toughest part. A, D7, G7. That's it. A minor, D7, D7, G7. The rest is all pretty slow switches. So you'll get 4 beats and then we start. Get ready. Ready, go. G7. Stay. C. G7. That part. Okay, so the C7 there is optional. You can stay on C the entire time. But 7th chords always make us feel like they want to go somewhere. And since we're going to the chorus, it gives it a nice feel. And let me tell you why the C7 and the F sound good together. If you go through the musical alphabet, F, G, A, B, C, C is the 5th. So the 5th always, the 5th in a 7th way always wants to go back. So for example, that's why G7 and C sound good, right? It sounds like an ending. And this happens with the C7 and the F as well. So I added the C7 there just to kind of add a little motion to it. So it would be 2 beats and 2 beats. And then you land on F. And so in that bar, you can kind of stay away from the island strum and do 2 down, down, up, down, down, up, F. And that would be down, down, up, down, down, up, F. But you don't need to go to the C7, you can stay on C. Okay, so let's do the part leading up to it. We are on a G7 chord, so go to G7 and start strumming. Let's do a full play along. Move the sleeves out of the way, shoulders back. Get ready on C. We're gonna hear 4 beats and then we start. And remember, you can do down strums throughout the whole thing until you're ready. Ready, go. playing my absolute favorite ukuleles, and this one is the Flight Elise Ecklund signature ukulele. Of course, there's always links to them down below if you're curious about them, or if you want to give someone a gift and you want to choose one that like a teacher likes, this is it. See, I told you it was gonna be easy. I told you. Because today's song was really easy, then my recommendation to keep challenging you is to memorize this song. Like, look at the key words. You'll notice it's the words that rhyme where the chords change. So use that to memorize this song and then test yourself. Like, turn the music around and see, can I play this by memory? And I think that'll be a really good way to challenge yourself with such an easy song. Thank you so much for participating in this challenge so far. It's been really fun, and I love watching all of your entries on Instagram and reading through all your comments on the videos. We will see each other in the next video. Sayonara!